famous, popular. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words. Famous. Famous is an adjective. It's used to describe a person, place, or thing that is known by many people. For example, J.K. Rowling is a famous author. So, J.K. Rowling is known by many people for writing Harry Potter books. Jennifer's dream is to become a famous singer. So Jennifer wants to become a singer that is known by many people. Popular. Popular is an adjective. It's used to describe a person, place, or thing that is liked by many people. For example, Alex is very popular in school. So many people like Alex. Football is a popular sport. So here I'm saying that football is liked by many people. A person, place, or thing can be both famous and popular, or it can be either one. For example, J.K. Rowling is famous because she's known by many people. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that she's popular, because many people may not like her or they may not enjoy reading her books. Another example is, Alex is the popular boy in school. So, he's liked by many people in his school. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that he's famous, because many people may not know him.